magnificent. This is unbelievable to think that the beach, like the Caribbean, is located at the end of the Queen Charlotte Islands. Beautiful, beautiful sunshine, blue sky, puffy white clouds, sand, surf, warm day, good company. Pristine is the only word that comes to mind.
That's what I... Do you want to put some on? No,
So, what do you think of the idea of journeying like this on a sailing vessel, going from to remote places like this, from one to the other, and meeting people like that in that kind of close quarters or more intimate, more personal setting? What does that? Do you think that's a great way to travel? Do you think that's? What do you think of that?
I think it's for specific individuals, but I have to say that this has been a magnificent journey. The staff with Bluewater Adventures has been really, really fantastic. And they work well. They've got such extensive knowledge and such a great love for the area. And by being spontaneous and going with what nature provides in the best possible, safest manner, it's fantastic. I don't think you can beat it, because it gives you such a sense of self. Even though there's a group of people in a confined area, when you get out into these areas, it just makes you feel blessed, very blessed, and not stressed.
Thank you.